Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix sleep mode not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search clock app. After click on clock app, scroll down and click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache clock app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.